let F is homomorphism from G to G bar and F is onto and kernel F contains only identity, then F is isomorphism, right? Homomorphism become the isomorphism if the kernel has many 2-3 questions already we have done like this. So here what is actually saying, one thing, the given part I choose first, given F is onto, that mean if this is G bar and only kernel F is identity, that means obviously identity map on identity, or you can say this is equal to E bar, because both are groups, so in both sets there is identity, and it is given that identity map open because of homomorphism property, it is the property of homomorphism. So only one element, the kernel F has only one element which map on identity, this means this, and onto is given, that means all element in G bar has a pre-image. So we have to show it is isomorphism. So onto is given and this part is given, right? So only one thing we have to show, F is isomorphism, we show F is 1 1, onto is given because onto is given, and the second condition, because isomorphism satisfy two conditions, one is 1 1 onto and preservation of binary operation, right? So binary operation it satisfy because of the preservation of binary operation, because F is homomorphism, onto is given, so we have to show only 1 1, right? 1 1. So to show 1 1, let Fg1 equal to Fg2 for all G1, G2 belong to G. This means we can write Fg1, this I want to bring this side, that means I inverse, because this is group and this element I can write this Fg2 inverse. Why? Because G bar is group and Fg2 belong to G bar, then its inverse also belong to there, and this become equal to E bar, right? Because these are element of G bar. Now this means I can write Fg1 G2 inverse is equal to E bar. That means G1 G2 inverse belong to kernel of F and which contains only identity. That means G1 G2 inverse is equal to identity, right? This means G1 equal to G2, hence F is isomorphism. One more thing we can note from here. If suppose this is not identity, there are some other element, then what happen? If it is suppose two element, if in kernel there are some more element, then what happen? So simply we can say that then F is isomorphism from G2 divided by kernel F. That means if kernel has many elements, then this is isomorphic to FG. FG is there, right? So that means we have to remove those elements which are mapping on identity. Okay, this is done.